Hello, my name is Jurgen and I'm the founder of WorldDroneRules.com, the biggest website in the world regarding drone rules. We are starting on our website with small video blogs to give you some information when you are going to travel with your drone to another country. This first one, I use it all the time. Just take a piece of paper, write down your name, address and your telephone number on it, and simply take a picture with your drone, so it will be on your SD card. When you have a flyaway and you can't find your drone anymore, then people will always check your SD card, which pictures they see on it. So they always see your name, address and telephone number. I hope you enjoyed this first blog and take the picture, then you get your drone back. See you next time. Bye bye.